Hi, I'm naturalist Andrew Gerhard. If you walk off into a hidden nook in Camp Kern, you may discover an old nature study building that was built June 3rd of 1964. Here you will find many animals that have been either found or brought to our nature center. You can check out some of our native animals here as well. Perhaps you will find our black rat snake hanging out in our top cage like he would be hanging out in rafters in the woods. Or perhaps you may find our small box turtle, or even our very little native painted slider. Lots of different animals here for you to check out, so please come see and enjoy our nature center. Can you get his toes?